I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. You can see the battery on the Ridgeline is way down underneath this air intake. So we're going to take this air intake off to get to the battery. Got some plastics here that go along the hood and try to keep that sealed. They have little plugs behind it like this that go along, so you're gonna have to carefully pry this up plug by plug like that. You don't want to break the plastic. Don't do this on a really cold day. So I got them all unplugged, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there's another one even here that's missing. So about 10. You're gonna be looking for 10 of these little plugs to pop out here. Now we can get to this, and then we can get behind it and get to the battery down there. Removing this air intake, there's a couple of these plastic screws that are just like quarter turns, and then these will let go. And then there's just a rubber collar that's holding it onto the air filter intake down here. Be able to just pull this out. There you go. Now you got the air intake out, just those 2 plastic screws. Don't lose them. Looks like a 10mm is going to do it for all these bolts. So the bottom of these brackets are just got like a J hook holding them on there. There's 1. And there's 2. There's also a plastic cover on the battery. You need to take that off first. The battery is sitting inside a plastic box. And there you go. Now the old one's out. Go ahead and drop the new battery into that plastic box. Now we'll get everything connected back up. Now we're going to put this part back on and put your screws back, plastic screws back into here. When you push this back onto the frame of the car, make sure you don't pop these up and out, because they'll fall on the ground or fall in the engine compartment and you might lose them in there. There's a lot of places where that can get lost. So put the rubber end on there. And when you're pushing the other end on, guide these things into the hole so they don't pop out like this one here and get lost. There, you got them both in there. Take your plastic screws, push them both back on there, and now we're in good shape. Now we're just going to set our cowling cover here back on, and again we're going to look for those 10 little attaching points all along. So that's it. That's how you change the battery on a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. Hey, I hope this video helped, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.